Hello viewers, welcome to my channel latest fashion trend. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can study good through everything and everyone in the universe because God is not confined in a mosque, synagogue or church. But if you are still in need of knowing where exactly his abode is, there is only one place to look for him: in the heart of true lover. The entire universe is conspiring to you. Give up everything that you want. The book to read is not the one that thinks for you, but the one which makes you think. Overthinking kills your happiness. Sometimes is or not stay whole, no matter how much you try to hold it all together, and that's when the hard part comes. When you have to let go of it all and let it be what it's supposed to be. There are all types of love in this world, but never the same love twice. The most painful thing is losing yourself in the process of loving someone too much and forgetting that you are special too. Ernest Hemingway. It takes a strong heart to love, but it takes a stronger heart to continue of love after it's been hurt. It has made me better loving you. It has made me wiser and easier and brighter. Dear soul, don't set a high value on someone before they deserve it. You either lose them or ruin yourself. Stay, I whispered as you shut the door behind you. Listen with ears to tolerance. See through eyes of compassion. Speak with the language of love. I want to be like and want to be with someone who dreams of doing everything in life and nothing on a rainy Sunday afternoon. Between that is sad and not meant, and what is meant and not sad. Most of love is lost. Nothing hurts more than being disappointed by the single person. Through you will never hurt you. If we accept being talked to any kind of way, then we are telling ourselves we are not quite worth the best. You may encounter many defeats, but you must not be defeated.